Hello everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today, I will be unboxing and testing this incredible remote-controlled racing car. This incredible remote-controlled racing car has a cool alloy body and can spray mist and light. This remote control car is designed to provide endless hours of fun and excitement. Whether you are a beginner or an experienced racing enthusiast, you will enjoy this remote-controlled racing car. Let's now dive right in and unbox this exciting RC car together. This remote control car features 1/16 scale radio control, enabling forward, reverse, left, and right turns for a thrilling experience. And it is capable of reaching impressive speeds. This remote-controlled racing car comes with a water absorption bottle. This water absorption bottle is made of plastic. This remote control car also comes with a rechargeable battery of 3.7 volts. This battery can be recharged and reused, saving you money. This 0.3 meter USB charging cable is also included in the box of this remote control car. Now, let's take a look at the remote control. The remote control is ergonomically designed and fits comfortably in my hand. This remote control has a decent range, allowing you to explore a wide area without losing connection. This remote control has a button for acceleration and another one for automatic demo. You will need to install two 1.5 volt batteries of size AA in the remote control. This remote-controlled racing car is designed specifically for flat surfaces. This RC car shines on flat surfaces with its impressive speed and maneuverability. This remote control car comes with a metal shell and rubber tires. Wow, look at these strong tires. This remote control car has a tank attached to the back of the car and an air jet or spray device. You can fill the tank with water and activate the spray device using the accelerate button on the remote control. This metal remote control car is no slouch when it comes to speed. It boasts a powerful motor that allows it to zip around with impressive velocity. You can find the battery compartment and the on or off switch at the bottom of this remote control car. Alright, folks, it's time to test this RC car. The low-profile tires of this RC car provide excellent traction, allowing for precise control during sharp turns and quick maneuvers. Besides the ability of this car to spray mist and light, this car features a built-in speaker that plays music and simulated engine sounds, making the experience even more immersive. I have tested this remote-controlled car on various surfaces, including flat and sandy surfaces. I found this RC car works well on flat surfaces. This remote control car with the water spray and light effect is a true game changer in the world of RC cars.